From developer to AI operator, the new career shift and new role is emerging earlier. Developers were focused on writing code, building features. Now, a new role is growing, AI operator. What is an AI operator? Someone who uses AI tools, guides AI systems, manages outputs instead of doing everything manually. What has changed? Earlier, developers wrote every line of code. Now, AI generates code, developers guide and refine it. The new responsibilities: writing prompts, validating AI outputs, integrating AI into workflows, optimizing performance. While this shift is happening, AI tools are becoming powerful. They can write code, analyze data, automate tasks, so the role of humans is changing. What skills are needed now? Prompt engineering, critical thinking, system understanding, decision-making. The advantage: AI operators can work faster, handle more tasks, build smarter solutions. WHO should adapt developers, analysts, tech professionals, anyone working with digital systems. The future: every developer will become part AI operator. The final take: the future is not just coding. It's about controlling and collaborating with AI. Rocket emoji.